This is my new spearfishing gun.
So that's a long-awaited gun. I ordered this gun in July.
Let's see what is inside. I ordered two shafts. So excited. Alright. Wow, look at this. Teak-Sea. Oh yeah, baby. Alright. As I said, I got this new gun. This is partly built gun, and I ask guys, don't make holes
Here because I'm gonna do this roller mechanism. This is MVD roller. I already attached this. This is how it's going to be. I'm gonna put this like that here. So I need to screw a couple holes through this, and then put this roller into. Okay.
I don't know how, but I need to align this perfectly because it should be done as flawless.
And this gun, I just have this empty reel with this gun and shaft. So yesterday I ordered from Niptonics other rest parts, but on Saturday I'm going free dive and I need this as soon as I can. Alright, this is 16 millimeters 5/8 bands. Oh my god, this is too thick. This is 2.8 millimeters. Oh, does not. Oh shit. I don't think it's good for. Yeah, I need to buy another one. This is Dynema. This is Spectra. Oh, I messed up. Okay, what else? This is just extra weight, 2 pounds, easy to remove and put this as tool for insertion tool for these fish bones. All right, and I ordered 3 shark fins. That's will go here, here, and here. All right, and that's it. Yeah, I just need another Dyneema line, and I'm gonna build this gun. Ну, как будто длиннее, как бы кончик, чуть-чуть. Что они одинаково. Ну, как будто бы ровно. То есть здесь я вижу. what do I left? I installed this roller head. I just fill up my reel. So I left to measure perfectly the length of bands, rubber bands, cut it, and put this monoline, shooting line, and attach this fins, holders, 1, 2, 3, and
Gun is ready. Roller. Loading fins, bands, good to go.